Welcome back, learners. In this video, we will be continuing exercise 14.2 based on laws of exponents. Well, question number 6 and further questions are based on problems on law 4, that is a to m into b raised to m, that is equal to ab or a into b raised to m. Here you can see the bases will be different, but the powers or exponents will be same. In this case, we will replace whole expression by multiplying both the bases raised to the power. Question number 6 is write single exponent form. You have part 1 is 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. Here you can see the bases are different. One is 5 and another one is 3. So we can write 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 as 5 into 3 the whole raised to 2. By law, a raised to m into b raised to m equals to a into b raised to m. So we will be multiplying the numbers in the bracket, that is 5 into 3 will give you 15. 15 raised to 2 will be your answer. Try to solve part number 2. 6 raised 4 into 10 raised 4. If we try to solve it only the bases will get multiplied since the powers are same. So 6 tens are 60. 60 raised to 4 will be your answer. Part 3 is minus 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 4 raised to 5. Again, the powers are same, bases are different, and the numbers are to be multiplied. So using the same law, we will be multiplying bases in a bracket raised to the common power. So minus 2 multiplied by 4, the whole raised to 2. Minus 2 into 4 will you minus 8. 2 4s are 8, and we have only one sum negative. It is an odd number. Our answer will consist of minus, or minus plus will give you minus. Minus 8 raised to 5 is your answer. The same way you will have to solve part number 4, similar to part number 3. Just see a quick solution of it. Since the bases are different, we will multiply bases. 10 into 6 will give you 60, and plus minus 9 will give you minus. So minus 3 raised to 3 will be your answer. Part number 5, a cube or a raised to 3 multiplied by minus b to 3. The bases are different, powers are same, numbers are multiplied. So we will multiply bases using our law number 4. You'll have a into minus b the whole raised to 3. The bases will get multiplied. A into b will give you b plus minus minus. Minus ab the whole raised to 3 is your answer. Part number 6. Minus a to 4 into minus b to 4. Again, powers are same, bases are different, numbers are to be multiplied. So this expression will be replaced by multiplying the base in minus a into minus b the whole raised to 4 using our number 4. So a into b give you ab, minus minus will become plus. So your answer be ab raised to 4. Part number 7, minus 2 raised to 3 multiplied by minus a raised to 3. This whole expression will be replaced by multiplying the bases as they are different. Minus 2 into minus a the whole raised to 3. Minus minus will become plus. So your answer will be positive. 2 in a will be written as 2a. So 2a raised to 3 will be your answer. Part number 8. Minus 2 raised to 5 into b raised to 5. Minus 2 and b are the bases which will get multiplied since the powers are same. So minus 2 into b will give minus 2b the whole raised to 5. Try to solve part number 9 and 10. Your part number 9 will give you an answer of minus will become plus, P into P give you PQ. So your answer will PQ raised to 8. Part number 10, 5 into X, 5X plus minus minus. That means your base will become minus 5X the whole raised to 2. Part number 7. Question number 7 is expand. When you expand them, part number 1 is 3a raised to 5. Here we will be using our law number 4, in which the bases are different and they have common power. So we will be using this law reversely. That means right hand side is given to you. You have to write it in the form of left hand side. So 3a raised to 5, we can write 3 raised to 5 multiplied by a raised to 5. Part number 2, 4 into 3 the whole raised to 6. In law number 4, reversely, we can write 4 to 6 multiplied by 3 raised to 6. Part number 3, 2 into b raised to 4. Using law number 4, 2 into b the whole raised to 4 can be written 2 raised to 4 multiplied by b raised to 4. What is part number 4? You can write it as 7 raised to 10 multiplied by 3 raised to 10. Part number 5, minus 6a the whole cube. Again, using the same law, we can write it as minus 6 raised to 3 into a raised to 3. Number 6, a into b raised to 10. Using the law a raised to m into b raised to m equals to ab the whole raised m, we can write a into b the whole raised 10 as a raised to 10 multiplied by b raised to 10. Part number 7, 8 into minus raised to 11. So how can we expand it? We can write it as 8 raised to 11, the same power multiplied by minus b raised to 11. Power is common both of them. So part number 8, it can be expanded as minus 8 raised to 15 multiplied by x raised to 15. Try to solve it. Part number 9, xy raised to 9. So using your law number 4, I can write it as x raised to 9 multiplied by y raised to 9 in an expandable form. Try to solve part number 10 yourself. Question number 8 is simplify and answer in exponential form. Now let us see. These questions consist the solutions that will include more than one law. So let us see. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 5. Here we have different bases 2, 2 and 5. So first we will solve the two numbers which have same bases. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. We have a law a raised to m into a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m plus n. This was the first law. जब bases same होते हैं, numbers multiply करने होते हैं, हमें powers को add करना पड़ता है. So I can write these two by replaced by 2 raised to addition of their powers. 3 plus 2, that will give 5. So 2 to 5 will be the answer for that. Now the remaining multiplied by 5 raised to 5 remains as it is. So now you see in these two that the powers are same, numbers are to be multiplied, but the bases are different. So using your law number 4, I can replace this expression by multiplying the bases, keeping the common power as common. So 2 into 5 will give you 10. 10 raised to 5 will be the reduced form of the expression given in part 1. This is your answer. Part number 2, 6 raised to 2 multiplied by 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 3. Now using BODMAS rule, we have to first solve the bracket. You can see the bases are same for the 3 numbers. Let us solve the bracket first. So using your first law, bases are same, numbers to be multiplied. We will add the powers. So 6 to 2 plus 4 give you 6 raised to 3. The remaining part divided by 6 raised to 3 will remain as it is. Now applying the second law, when the bases are same and the numbers are to be divided, in that case the powers will get subtracted. Base as it is रहेगा, powers subtract हो जाएंगे. So 6 minus 3 will give you 3. So 6 raised to 3 will be your answer for part number 2. Part number 3 is 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. Again, we will be solving the bracket first. You can see numbers have same bases and they are divided. So using the law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m minus n. Powers को हमें subtract करना है सिर्फ. So this can be replaced by 3 raised to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 will give you 5. 3 raised to 5 will be the reduced form of this bracket expression. Now the remaining multiplied by 3 raised to 5 is as it is. Now we have 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. You can apply the bases are same, numbers are to be multiplied. The powers will get added up. So I can replace it by 3 raised to 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 will give you 10. Also, you can apply, since the bases are same, here powers are also same. If you want to apply the rule for same powers, you can get 3 into 3, 9 raised to 5. That is also a correct answer. Part number 4 is 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2, the whole raised to 2. So first of all, we will solve the bracket. Here the bases are same, numbers are to be multiplied. So we will add the power. Here in 2, no power is mentioned. That means it has 1 as its power. So the powers will get added up. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. 2 raised to 4, the whole raised to 2. हमने केवल ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व किया है. ब्रैकेट के बाहर का पावर एज इट इज रहा है. Now applying the law, a raised to m, the whole raised to n, powers will get multiplied. 2 raised to 4 into 2, that will give you 2 raised to 8. Part number 5, a raised to 5 upon a raised to 3, the whole multiplied by a raised to 8. You can see the bases are same, they are to be divided. So we will replace them by a raised to subtraction of the powers. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. A raised to 2. The remaining part is written as it is. अब इस remaining part के साथ में हम देखें तो bases same है, numbers multiply कर रहे हैं, तो powers को हम क्या करेंगे, add कर देंगे. A raised to 2 plus a will give you a raised to 10. The laws that are used, they are mentioned by using a hyphen. जिस step में जो law लग रहा है उसको हम hyphen लगा के mention करेंगे. Part number 6 is 4 raised to 6 multiplied by a raised to 8, b raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 3 multiplied by a to 5, b raised to 2. Now, यहाँ पर हमारे पास में 4 base as a base का number हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में भी है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय का बेस के साथ में नंबर हमारे पास में न्यूमरेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय b रेज टू 5 एंड b रेज टू 2। b के नंबर्स, b के पावर्स वाले नंबर हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में भी है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है। तो इन तीनों के ऊपर फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं या लॉ लगा सकते हैं, a रेज टू m डिवाइडेड बाय a रेज टू n, द पावर गेट सब्ट्रैक्टेड। So 4 raised to 6 minus 3, here 4 has 6 as exponent and 3 as exponent in the denominator. A raised to 8 minus 3 multiplied by b raised to 5 minus 2. Subtracting the powers, you will have 4 raised to 3 into a raised to 3, b raised to 3. I can write them since तीनों के पर सेम है, बेसिस डिफरेंट है और बिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो आई कैन राइट इट using the law a raised to m into b raised to m, where the bases will get multiplied, the power will be written once. You can write it as 4ab raised to 3. Part number 7, 2 raised to 8 multiplied by a raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 3 multiplied by a raised to 3. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे a एज अ बेस का नंबर हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में भी है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, लेकिन यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर बेस 2 का नंबर है और डिनोमिनेटर बेस 4 का है. वी कैन कन्वर्ट बेस 4 into a number of base 2. 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2. So I replaced it, 2 raised to 2 as 4. The whole raised to 3 is remaining as it is. Rest of the numbers are not changed. हमने यहाँ पर केवल 4 को रिप्लेस किया है as 2 raised to 2. Using the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n, that is equals to a raised mn. 2 raised to 2 into 3 will give you 6. भी बाकी के किसी भी नंबर में कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ 2 raised to is written as it is. Now you can apply the law a to m divided by a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m minus n. 2 के बेस वाला नंबर न्यूमरेटर में भी है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होना कंपलसरी है. एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन अगर होता है तो हम ये लॉ डायरेक्टली नहीं लगा पाएंगे. तो again I have a raised to 5 as numerator and a raised to 3 as the denominator. By using this law I will write it as 2 raised to 8 minus 6 into a raised to 5 minus 3. 8 6 will give you 2, 5 minus 3 will give you, again the numbers are to be multiplied and bases are different but the powers are same. So I will use a law. Which law will be used here? A raised to m into b raised to m, that is equals to a into b the whole raised to m. So 2 into a will give you 2a the whole raised to 2. And we mention the law that will be used here. Part 8. 3 raised to 8 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to. आप पहले न्यूमरेटर में फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. When the bases are same, numbers are to be multiplied, power क्या हो जाएंगे? Add. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 3 raised to 10 will be its solved form. Then 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3, again bases are same, numbers are multiplied, powers add हो जाएंगे. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So its reduced form will be 3 raised to 7. Now you can apply the law a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Bases same है, divide कर रहे हैं, तो powers subtract हो जाएंगे. 10 minus 7 will give you 3. So your answer will be 3 raised to 3. Part 9. 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 7 raised to 6 multiplied by 11 raised to 8, the whole divided by 21 into 11 raised to 3. Now you can see 11 बेस वाले दोनों हैं न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में. यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में 21 आ रहा है, जिसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे एज 3 into 7 फैक्टर्ड फॉर्म में. नाउ यू विल हैव 2 numbers of bases 3, 2 numbers of base 7 also. नंबर्स डिवीजन में है, तो हम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे a raised to m divided by a raised to n. बेसिस सेम है, नंबर्स डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, इसलिए पावर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. So I will write this whole expression as 3 raised to 6 minus 1 पावर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट हुए multiplied by 7 raised to 6 minus 1 multiplied by 11 raised to 8 minus 3. Subtract करेंगे, you will get the answer as 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 7 raised to 5 multiplied by 11 raised to 5. You can see the powers are same, number bases are different and the numbers are to be multiplied. Power same है तो हम कहेंगे bases का multiplication कर देंगे using the law a raised to m into b raised to m, that will be equal to ab the whole raised to m. So 7 into 3 into 7 into 11 will the whole raised to 5 will give you 3 into 7 into 11 will be 231 the whole raised to 5. Part 10, 5 raised to the whole raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 the whole divided by 5 raised to 7. Well, सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर का छोटा वाला ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे. बोर्ड मास रूल लगाएंगे. So you can see a raised to m the whole raised to n, that is equal to a raised to mn. Powers will get multiplied. So 2 into 3 will give you 6, 5 raised to 6. Now again the bracket consists of same bases 5. They are to be multiplied. So the powers will get added up. Your answer will become 5 raised to 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 5 raised to 10 is the reduced form of it. The remaining divided by 5 raised to 7 will be written unchanged. अभी हमने उसको कुछ भी solve नहीं किया है, उसको as it is लिखा है. Now I have 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 7. Bases same है, नंबर डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हम पावर्स को ट्रैक करके लिखेंगे. 5 raised to 10 minus 7, that will give you 5 raised to 3. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.